YouTube. It's me, Mocha, and Latte is in there. And welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell to know when we post. Even if you are subscribed, make sure to hit that notification bell. So today, I'm going to be reviewing this glitter putty we got at Michael's. This stuff is only available at Michael's. It's glitter putty. Where's the label? Here's the label. Glitter putty. Sorry for the background noise. My mom's making dinner. What? It's true. You're making dinner. No, it's falling. Okay, so here's our glitter putty. She just gave me like a weird look. So here's the glitter putty. And so it comes with 3 colors. You can get it in different colors. So the first color that's in my jar is this orange. It's really stretchy, like really stretchy, and it pokes perfect. Sorry, I pulled too hard. But it's like perfect. It's not butter slime. It's more like just like a regular. Okay, that's kind of buttery. Sorry guys, it fell again. It's really good slime, if I could say so myself. So here's what it looks like when we poke it. Lots of clicky noises. This is store-bought slime. Mom, did you have to put that right in front of the camera? Thanks, anyway. This is the orange, and now time for the swirly test. Thanks, Mom. Now time for the swirly test. I think this stuff makes a really good swirly and really good pokes and really good stretches. So I'm going to do a rating. So I rate this orange slime a scale of 8 out of 10. This is the swirly. This is what it looked like. Kind of messed up, but I would rate this an 8 out of 10. It's not a 9 out of 10 because it's kind of sticky. I'll show you guys. So, yeah. Let me just turn the camera angle. So here it is. Now let's poke it. See what I mean by it's sticky? So now let's try to get this off. It comes off like a peel. Thumbnail shot. See, it's already off. Just gotta give it a little pull. There you go. It's off. So that is it for the orange slime. Say bye to the orange slime. And I did name this mango smoothie. So, bye mango smoothie. It's kind of a disclaimer. But if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on Musical.ly. My Musical.ly account is boi.itz.morgan, MORGAN, .man, M-A-N-N. If you can find that, and the next person that follows in the next 24 hours and comments on one of my Musical.lys and says, I'm from your YouTube channel, will get a BFF, a follow, and a duet. So if you can do that, do it and it'll be perfect. So the next color slime I have is this yellow. I have named this Banana Berry Blast. It's a really vibrant yellow, and it probably looks like the same color as this almost in the camera because it's just that way. But it also has that clicky sound. See? And let's try this early test. I rate that a 8 out of 10 as well. Now this is the pink. It's a really cute, not cute, it's a really cool, and this is called Raspberry Rock and Roll. I don't know, I'm just making stuff up. This one isn't as stretchy as, okay, never mind. It's a really vibrant pink. Whoosh. Here's the slime. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to our channel. If you haven't already, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We love you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want more from us. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell to know when we post. We love you guys. See ya later. Oh, by the way, comment down below how you rate this glitter putty.